I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to.
Hey guys, what's up? This is Anukriti here and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you guys this super glam Eid makeup tutorial. Since Eid is coming up, so without further ado, let's get started. So I've already prepped and primed my face and I'm gonna start with the foundation. For foundation, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. This is a medium coverage foundation but it's buildable. So with the help of my PAC Beauty Blender, I'm just going to apply it all over my face. So this is one of my favorite foundation and it is a very long lasting foundation and doesn't look cakey at all. For the concealer, I'm going with my all-time favorite Maybelline Fit Me concealer and it's in the shade Light. So I'm just gonna apply it under my eyes to hide those dark circles and brighten up my under eyes. For my eyeshadow, I'm going for the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. This is on the high-end side. You can find the same color in the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette, which I'll be using. So I'm gonna pack this beautiful rusty brown color on the outer corner of my eyes and inner corner of my eyes. And I'm just gonna blend it so there will be no harsh edges. So this is one of my favorite eyeshadow palette. It's super pigmented and you do not see any fall off. I'm gonna take the same color and I'm just going to smoke up my lower lash line. So I'm gonna go ahead and smoke up a little bit more. Next up, I'll be using this Wet n Wild eyeshadow glitter single. It is such a beautiful pink pressed glitter eyeshadow and I'm just packing it to the center of my eyelids. Next up, for my eyeliner, I'm gonna be using the NYX Epic Liner and it is such a jet black color. It's waterproof. It will give you that beautiful sharp winged liner. And this is one of my favorite waterproof eyeliner. Next up, I'll be using this beautiful gold shimmer color from the same palette. And I'm just gonna pack it to the inner corner of my eyes. For my brows, I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Strip Brow in the shade Deep Brown. If you want to go for a drugstore eyebrow pencil, go for the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Pencil. So with the help of my brow brush, I'm just gonna fill my brows. Now to set my under eye area and my base, I'm gonna go for the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. You can use any loose powder and I'm just going to let it bake for 5 minutes. So loose powder gives you a flawless base and a flawless makeup. It will help you to set all the foundation and do not let it crease. Now with the help of my fluffy brush, I'm just dusting off the extra and setting the rest of my face. To contour my face, I'm gonna be using the Sivana Colors blush palette and this is such a beautiful warm color. And I'm just going to contour my forehead, my jawline and my cheekbones. And this will also help to warm up my face a little bit.
I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to.
For my blush, I'm going for the Essence Silky Touch blush in the shade Baby Doll. This is my all-time favorite blush and it's super affordable. It cost only 150 rupees and it is such a beautiful dupe of NARS Orgasm blush. To highlight the high points of my face, I'm gonna go with the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold and I'm just going to highlight my cheekbones, my nose bridge and my forehead. Next up, for the lipstick, I'm gonna go with the NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Exotic. This is such a beautiful nude shade but it is looking a little too dark on my lips and I want my lips to be super nude. So I'm gonna go with the Wet n Wild Catsuit Liquid Lipstick in the shade Rebel Rose on the top of it. Next up, to set up my makeup, I'm gonna go with the Wet n Wild Natural Finish Setting Spray and I'm just going to set all my makeup. It is such a beautiful setting spray. It will give you a dewy finish. So this is the full look. If you guys want to add some fake eyelashes, you can just go ahead. So I'm gonna be using the pack eyelashes in the number 59. So this is the complete glam Eid makeup tutorial for you guys. If you guys like this video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. And yeah guys, follow me on my Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Also, if you guys love this look, do let me know in the comment section. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.